I always had interest in politics, electoral politics. We've seen it, I think most of us have seen it from close quarters. तो interest था, लेकिन I was very shy when I was doing my law degree. But this dates back to 2022 when the UP assembly elections. That is when I entered politics as in a big way. So I think politics drives change, and policies can only emerge from politics. So I have always had a problem with the word apolitical, because I think कुछ भी apolitical नहीं है. Everything that happens in a country, in the world, comes from politics. So I think that understanding, when that sunk in, is when I thought that since I have the platform, since I have that opportunity, that privilege, so I, for once, because when I saw people, even from my own family, I used to have that irk कि मैं होती तो शायद मैं ऐसे करती. So that, and obviously because we have that privilege, that platform, I got that opportunity, I was asked. And so I thought, for once, we need to get into it to see how it works, how to bring about a change. And as a woman, I would like to say, we have to work twice as hard to get half as much the acknowledgement as our male counterparts. So that's been a journey in itself. And but I'm very fortunate, I'm very blessed to be here, and every day I learn, and every day I try with my utmost honesty to deliver, to give back, because I've gotten so much from the society. And I think not just youth, but if we as a nation focus on women, I think that is when we'll be able to fully unlock our country's potential. So I think महिलाओं को आगे लाने की ज़रूरत है, और leadership सिर्फ privilege या position से नहीं आती है. It comes from purpose and persistence. And I think there is a lot of young women, there are a lot of people, youth, जिनके पास बहुत बेहतर ideas हैं, पर ये platform नहीं है. And I know a lot of people जो चाहते हैं, तो इस प्रोसेस को ईजी करना पड़ेगा, so that we have better people come in who have fresh new ideas to challenge and to bring about new policy changes. I also had that in me. It is very difficult. These are systems that you need to first learn and understand, and then fully tap into them. So first year of my MPship has been about learning. There is a process in the parliament, how to put questions, how to argue. So we are all learning that. And I think it's been a great first year, but there is a lot to do, and there is a lot that the country, the last people in the country, the women, the youth, जो industries से जुड़े हुए नहीं हैं, जिनको अभी, so we represent two Indias. One that sits in metropolitan cities, where we talk about innovation, ideas, technology, and the other India, which still lacks very basic amenities. So we need to be cohesive enough to bring about a change where we don't neglect either of them. And I think, which is very, very difficult to do, but that is also our job. And I think as a civil society, all of us will have our part to play in it, and will have to do our best in it. So looking forward to that.